right, guys. Same spot I shot my buck. Rebekah just shot one. He looked to be really nice. He's laying right here in the fence row. We are walking up to him now. Holy crap, baby. That happened fast. That happened fast. There was a couple does out here. And then he just come running out of nowhere.
They were out here for a while. We were looking at and
he didn't go nowhere. He ran right here and just, look at that rack, baby. Look at that rack. Dang, sister. Dang, baby girl. A big, he's a 10-pointer. He's got split eye guard. Rebekah Lynn, what do you think, sis? Holy moly. That's just his death. All right, here's Rebekah with her 2021 10-pointer. She said, enough with the 8-pointers. I want something bigger. And she gets a 10-pointer with Dad's rifle. Heck yeah. Wow, sis. All right, here's Rebekah hiding her buck she just shot from Papaw's. He's coming up to see it for the first time. Trying to be all coy. Step out, boy.